Class 7 SOF IMO Chapter 4 Simple Equations. Mathematical reasoning question number 1. Solve. If 8 bottles cost you 14 rupees more than that of 6 bottles, then find the cost of 12 bottles. Given 8 bottles cost is 14 rupees more than the cost of 6 bottles. So, if the cost of one bottle is x, we can write this given information as 8x is equal to 6s plus x plus 14. Now solving for x, we will get x as 7 rupees. Now cost of 12 bottles is equal to 12x, that is 7 into 12, which is equal to 84 rupees. Quick tip, do not forget the units at the end, that is centimeter, rupees, meter, etc. Mathematical reasoning question number 2. The solution of the equation 10 minus 3y is equal to 1, and in which where y is equal to. Now in this equation, bringing constants to one side and variables to the other side, we get minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 10. We've simply brought plus 10 to the other side, so it will be minus 10. Now simplifying this, we'll get minus 3y is equal to minus 9. From this, we can get the value of y, that is 3. Quick tip, watch the signs. A minus instead of a plus or vice versa is one of the biggest mistake zones. Double check signs before you move on to the next step. Mathematical reasoning question number 3. A number is tripled and 8 is added. If the result is doubled, it becomes 94. What is the number? Let us take the number to be x. This x is tripled and then added to 8. Then the result of 3x plus 8 is doubled and it becomes 94. So 2 into 3x plus 8 is equal to 94. Now solving this, bringing 2 to the other side, we get 3x plus 8 is equal to 94 divided by 2. Then simplifying by bringing 8 to the other side, we will get x as 13. Mathematical reasoning question number 4. Which of the following given equations does not have minus 4 as the solution? Let us check in this option which equation does not have minus 4 as the solution. First, substituting p is equal to minus 4 and solving the LHS to see if it matches the RHS. If both the sides are equal, then minus 4 is the solution. If they are not equal, then minus 4 is not a solution. Let us start with A. Now let us substitute the value of minus 4 in P. We will get 5 minus of minus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So the A option has minus 4 as the solution. Let us check the B option. Similarly, substituting the value of minus 4 in P, we will get 14 plus of minus 4 is equal to 10. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Here also left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, B also has minus 4 as the solution. Now C. Substituting the value of minus 4 in P and simplifying, we can see that the LHS is not equal to the RHS. Therefore, in C, minus 4 is not a solution. Even though we have figured out the answer, let us just check the D option. Similarly, substituting the value of minus 4 in P, we can see that the LHS is equal to the RHS. So in the D option, minus 4 is a solution, but in the C option, minus 4 is not a solution. Now here's another simple method. Another method is to find the value of P from each equation and check whether it is equal to minus 4. If it is equal to minus 4, then the equation have minus 4 as the solution. By doing that, we can see that minus P is equal to 4. P is equal to minus 4. So A has the solution as minus 4. B also has the solution as minus 4. But C does not have the solution as minus 4. And D also has the solution of minus 4. Mathematical reasoning question number 5. If 184 is divided into two parts such that 1/3 of one part exceeds 1/7 of the other part by 8, then the greater part is. Let me break it down into steps. Given 184 is divided into two parts. So let us take x as one part and 184 minus x as the other part. Since if we know the value of x and subtract it from 184, you will get the other number. This is why we are taking the other part as 184 minus x. Given 1/3 of one part exceeds 1/7 of the other part by 8. Let us solve this equation to find x. 1 by 3 into x can be written as x by 3, and 1 by 7 into 184 minus x plus 8 can be simplified as 184 by 7 minus x by 7. Bringing x to the one side, we get x by 3 plus x by 7 is equal to 184 by 7 plus 8. Taking LCM and simplifying, we'll get the value of x, that is 72. One number is 72 and the other number is 184 minus x, that is 112. The greater part is 112. Mathematical reasoning question number 6. Find the value of x in the given equation. Here is the given expression. Since the whole expression is divided by 3 and that 3 is common to everything inside the curly bracket, we can multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of it. We will get x minus 1 by 2 into 4 plus 25 is equal to 10 into 3. Now take 4 inside the bracket and bringing constants to one side and variables to the other side, we get 4x is equal to 30 minus 23. Now simplifying this, we can get x as 7 by 4 or 1 3 by 4. Quick tip, don't forget that the LHS is equal to RHS. Once you get the value of the variable, plug it back into the original equation and make sure LHS is equal to RHS. Mathematical reasoning question number 7. If 2/3 of a number, half of the same number and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, the result is 37. The number is. Let the number be x. If 2/3 of a number, half of the same number and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, the result is 37. Now taking in LCM and simplifying, we can get the value of x, that is 16 by 97. Mathematical reasoning question number 8. If two supplementary angles differ by 44 degrees, then one of the angle is supplementary angle is equal to 180 degrees when they are added. Let one angle be x and the other angle is x plus 44 degrees, since it differs by 44 degrees. Since two angles are supplementary, we can write this as x plus 44 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Simplifying this, we can get the value of x, that is 68 degrees. First angle is 68 degrees and the second angle is 112 degrees. How? Because since it differs by 44 degrees, 68 degree plus 44 degrees equal to 112 degrees. Mathematical reasoning question number 9. The value of x in the given equation is. Let us first take the RHS and we'll simplify it. Here's a quick tip. Be careful with brackets. Always simplify brackets first and be careful when you remove them, especially if there's a minus sign in front. Remember that the sign of the number inside the bracket changes if there's a negative sign. The sign of the number inside the bracket remains unchanged if there's a positive sign before it. Solving RHS, we'll get 11x minus 1 by 4. Let us take RHS and LHS now. 11x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 into 4 by 2. Now we can simplify the 2 and 4 as 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now we have removed the fractional bar, so it will be easier for us to solve the equation. Solving it, we will get 7x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Mathematical reasoning question number 10. Which of the following equations has y is equal to 3, 9 by 11 as the solution? Let us solve each equation one by one to find the value of y. Option A. Since all of the numbers having 3 as the denominator except for 5y, we can easily multiply both the sides of the equation by 3 to eliminate the denominator. If we do that, we'll get 15y plus 5 is equal to 47 plus 4y. Now taking all the variables to one side and constants to one side, we will get 11y is equal to 42. Now simplifying this, we will get 39 by 11. So the A option has y is equal to 39 by 11 as the solution. Now let us check option B. Similarly, multiplying both sides of the equation by 3 to eliminate the denominator, we will get 15y minus 4y, which is equal to 47 plus 5. Now y is equal to 48 by 11, not 39 by 11. So B is not the correct solution. Now let us see C. Similarly, both sides of the equation are multiplied by 3 to eliminate the denominator. And here y is equal to 214 by 19. This is also wrong. It does not have y as 39 by 11 as the solution. So the correct option is the A option. Mathematical reasoning question number 11. Solve for x. Taking LCM as 18 and simplifying, we will get 12x minus 4 plus 3x plus 5 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now simplifying the numerator, we will get 15x plus 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now taking 18 to the other side, it will be multiplied by 18. So we will get 15x plus 1 is equal to 6. Now simplifying, we will get x as 1 by 3. Mathematical reasoning question number 12. Which of the following equations is not as same as 15 plus 3x is equal to 3? If two equations are the same, they'll give the same value of x. So we'll solve each one and check if x is different. The equation is not the same. Given equation is 15 plus 3x is equal to 3. Solving for x, we get x is equal to minus 4. When we're solving for x, we get the same equation of a over here. So A is correct. Solving for the B option for x, we get minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 3 and x is equal to minus 4. This is also correct. Solving for option C for x, we get x is equal to minus 12. This is false because x should be minus 4, not minus 12. In the D option, x is equal to minus 4. Mathematical reasoning question number 13. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 188. Find the numbers. Let one number be x and the other odd number be x plus 2. Given x plus 2 is equal to 188. Now solving for this, we can get the value of x as 93. Since the second number is x plus 2, we will get 95 as the second number. Everyday mathematics question number 14. Ram's father's age is 3 more than 2 times Ram's age. Ram's father is 45 years old. Form an equation to find Ram's age. Let Ram's age be x. Ram's father's age is equal to 3 more years than twice of Ram's age. So it will be 2x plus 3. And according to the given information, we can frame the equation as 3 plus 2x is equal to 45. Everyday mathematics question number 15. A shopkeeper sells bananas in two types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas. Form an equation which gives the number of bananas in each small box if the number of bananas in one large box is 50. Let the number of bananas in small box be x. Given large box contains 6x plus 2 bananas. Since a large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas, equation will be 6x plus 2 bananas. Capacity of a large box is equal to 50. According to the given information, we can frame the equation as 6x plus 2 is equal to 50. Everyday mathematics question number 16. 1/4 of a pole is painted red, 2/5 is painted blue, and the remaining 21 is painted green. According to the given information, we can frame the equation as 1 by 4x plus 2 by 5x plus 21 is equal to x. Taking x to one side and taking LCM and simplifying, we get the value of x, that is 60 meters. Now we can use another method to solve this. multiplying both LHS and RHS by 20 because the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Just to remove this fraction, we have to multiply both LHS and RHS by 20. Then taking constants to one side and variables to other side, we get the value of x as 60 meters. Everyday mathematics question number 17. There are some lotus flowers in a pond and some bees are hovering over it. If one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left. If two bees land on each flower, then one flower will be left. Then the number of flowers and bees are respectively. So let the number of flowers be x and number of bees be y. If one bee per flower and one bee is left out. So we can frame this equation as number of bees is equal to number of flowers plus 1. That is y is equal to x plus 1, and we can take it as equation 1. If 2 bees per flower, one flower is left out. From this we can frame the equation as number of bees is equal to 2 into number of flowers minus 1. That is y is equal to 2 into x minus 1, and we can take this as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. Solving for x, we get it as 3. Substituting the value of x is equal to 3 in equation 1, we get y is equal to 4. Hence, the number of flowers as 3 and the number of bees as 4. Let us do it by trial and error method. Let us take option A. Here they have given 3 flowers and 4 bees. 3 flowers needs 3 bees. We have 4 bees, therefore 1 bee will be left out. And 2 bees per flower, 2 flowers needs 4 bees. Therefore 1 flower is left out. So using this, we can also conclude that the correct answer is the A option. Achiever section question number 18. Match the column. Arjun's father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age. Find Arjun's age in years if his father is 37 years old. Let Arjun's age be x. Given Arjun's father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age. Father's age is equal to 5 plus 4x, which is equal to 37. Solving, we'll get x is equal to 8. So Arjun's age is 8. Second one, Ramesh says that he has 8 notebooks more than 4 times the number of notebooks Anuj has. Ramesh has 48 notebooks. How many notebooks does Anuj have? Let the number of notebooks Anuj has be x. Number of notebooks Ramesh has is equal to 8 plus 4x, which is equal to 48. Now solving for x, we'll get x is equal to 10. Therefore, Anuj has 10 notebooks. Third one, Varun says that he has 11 erasers, more than 5 times the number of erasers Samir has. Varun has 56 erasers. How many erasers does Samir have? Let Samir have x erasers. Number of erasers Varun has is equal to 11 plus 5x, which is equal to 56. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 9. Now matching, we will get the correct option as the B option. Achiever section question number 19. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, digits are interchanged. Which of the given steps is correct to find the number? Let us take the units digit as x, then the tens digit as 9 minus x. This is correct. Therefore, the number is equal to 10 into, since the tens place digit is 9 minus x, we'll put that plus x, which is equal to 90 minus 9x. This is also correct. Now adding 27 to the number, 90 minus 9x, we'll get 117 minus 9x. This is also correct. Now numbers with interchanged digits, the units digit is 6 and the tens digit is 3. So this is correct, and hence the number is 36. This is also correct. Achiever section question number 20. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Let us solve the equation in P and find the value of x. Separating x to one side and constants to the other side, we will get 36 is equal to 4x. So 9 is equal to x. So the P option is correct. Q. Let us solve the equation in Q and find the value of y. Let us multiply both sides by 10. That way we can get rid of the fraction and make things easier. Simplifying, we'll get y is equal to minus 5 and not 5. So Q is wrong. Here's a quick tip. Wherever appropriate, eliminate fractions by multiplying the entire equation with the LCM of the denominators. No need to force it every time. So the correct option is the C option. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.